of a data. Like I saw yesterday aria.ai. I'll show you.
Yes, so that bill check automation, so that article.
Yeah, which article? Okay, you just share me that articles. See here, they have done the NLP task. They are extracting the data from images. That's it.
Automated check clearance, right, sir?
The bank and everything. No, this is OCR, just OCR. They have run the Google API and they have done it. For sure, I can tell you that this is based on API. Now you see, extracting the data. Here they will extract only digit. Imagine. Now you see extracting the data, right? Now you imagine what are the numbers you will get. You will get amount in figures. If you get amount in words also, fine, very good. And there is a huge scope for computer vision actually. Yesterday I have read one article that was absolutely true. Because of this COVID-19, unavoidable situations, all your prediction models was struck in the productions that they could not able to meet the expectation because whole world has been locked out. So there is a no machine learning mechanism to calculate the uncertainty. So there is only scope for the computer vision for this era. Computer vision will sustain for a longer period. So one of the key areas, one of the good challenging also is a computer vision. You could see this is a OCR, so optical character recognition. The application is this. Now see how much time it is taking. It will give you everything. This number, this number, this numbers, and this dates. Dates was not there. Aha, is there. I need to see what is being extracted here. Signature and account number. I want to see how much time it will be taking.
Sir, Anna, as a beginner, what would you suggest first, learning computer vision or NLP?
Check processing fail. See, the computer vision having more scope, right? In this series of lessons, we will cover the advanced NLP concepts. It's not only stemming or words extracting. We will work with transformers and everything. I'll take up the sessions, but I would like to teach this series of lessons with continuously. Maybe it goes to YouTube also. I'll update whatever the industry expects. We will do that problem statement. Whatever the problems I face in my projects, my company, what I'll teach you guys. Because you should be aware of what is happening in the industry. And please avoid reading the articles. Focus on the content building and show what you are. What's the best of it. And don't read the article of 5 minutes or 2 minutes videos. There are n number of videos, they'll tell that neural network in 5 minutes. Convolutional is in 2 minutes. And they won't worry about what the parameters are. The people will go madly about that. Learning of 2 minutes will not help at all. That will give only just flavor. That you know some deep learning. That's it. Spellings. Any doubts you can ask me till this process gets executes.
Hello.
Yes.
It's Chidi.
Chidi, Volo, tell me.
Yeah, I've gone through the other recordings, but I don't really have the codes and the material you shared yesterday. So I wrote something on your wall, but you said you can't send it to individual. But I've gone through the classes. But I want the other materials and other things.
Okay, I'll share with you. Okay.
Okay, I'll drop my mail here
Yeah.
at the chat box. And secondly, I want to know the future of NLP, because there's a buzzword about NLP is the key of AI, about all these chatbots,
Yeah.
and
Okay.
yeah. So
Good
what?
question actually. How NLP is gonna solve, right? See, the
Yes.
NLP is one of the flavor of AI. So one of the most important factor in terms of AI, but it should be like aligned with reinforcement learning. See, whatever the chatbots is not, it's in a dialogue based. You have the intents. We give the intents for what question, what would be the answers. That will not suffice your chatbot's history. When you are assigning this to reinforcement and you build a agent's on top of it, then it will act like a humans. That is what the scope of your chatbots. If you are building normal question answer based chatbots, I don't think so it will sustain for longer period, because the situation is different, and every time customer expect the different ways. They will not go with only one kind of answers. Am I making sense?
Yeah. Yes.
So you should mix with the reinforcement
Okay.
so that you can be more like you can build your own applications.
Okay.
There are companies I know that they are building chatbots, only chatbots. Even they are doing
Oh,
good, pretty good in terms of scaling their business.
wow. I
So,
mean, I, and I'm from Nigeria, because I tend to learn because we don't really have really some AI solutions over here,
okay,
and getting the knowledge is very hard.
yeah,
So
yeah.
when I saw your this, I was like, wow, this is the I've gone online, I've attended so many classes, but your kind of teaching is very unique,
Okay,
and
thank
I
you
was
so much.
coming for that. Yeah, and I'm telling my friends and everybody who want to join at this local to join.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much. And we would like to see Nigerians to be in a digital world. Actually, I saw there are some of the startup companies in Nigeria as doing the AI stuff products. I have read
But
the articles, but I don't know how much it is being scaled up.
it's not really. I'm in Nigeria, and I'm in the heart of Lagos, the economic capital city.
Mm,
It's not really scale up. Most of things what they do here, I will tell you, is not AI, core AI products. I
okay.
can tell you that is basically they're into software, and I don't think there's a core AI solution in Nigeria.
Oh,
So one of the class why I'm joining this class is that maybe we can also discuss further, and probably we can see how we can do something unique in Nigeria.
yeah. We will catch up. We will catch up. Right. You can ping me on my WhatsApp number, and so we can discuss how we can help each other. And first, we
Oh,
wanted to build a workforce in Nigeria. Like we want to upscale the AI into most of the people. First, you should
oh,
build the AI workforce. Then you can build the applications.
okay. We'll discuss that now. I don't have your WhatsApp number. Maybe when you send it to my mail. I'll drop my mail on the line.
You have my WhatsApp number, right?
No, I don't have it. That's why I said they should add me in the group. Maybe I'll drop my number. Maybe I'll add.
No, see, we are not having any group for this classes. I'm just posting in LinkedIn. That's it.
Okay, okay,
We didn't created any dedicated group for this.
okay, okay, okay.
Your ID, your LinkedIn ID,
Yes, PD Henry.
right?
No, Chidi Henry. Move CHIDI.
Right?
DI. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now we got the image, we got the data into arrays. Now let us see. Now if we check the array size, I have how many images I have? 2352. My size is 224 by 224 into 3. 3 channels because it is in a here. Converted. We converted images into arrays. So size become. Next class onwards, I'll be not discussing each line by line. I'll go to model building. I'll tell the data what this data is all about. Then I'll go straight away to the model building, and we train the model. That's it. So you should not have any doubts so far. It becomes total records along with size. Now, what we are going to do? Now we are going to import the necessary libraries, and we are splitting the data into X train and Y train and X test and Y test. Satya, you are telling about we didn't do the validation, right? This is what here model.fit validation data. We do the validation data on testing data. Here we are running this and we are splitting the data. And when you see the shape of the data, X train I have 164 and X test dot shape 700 records and 1600 records for training, 700 records for your validation data. It's a very good split. So now you see here. Now we are going to understand now. For model building, in Keras, in TensorFlow, we use method called sequential. Sequential. Now, this method is making to establish a model. Now, second step, we need to pass. We need to specify the length of input image where we use parameter of input underscore shape. Here we pass the now here we are passing the size of the image. Now second step, for this base model we are adding convolutional with filters of 25 and kernel size of 5 by 5. And initially we'll go with 3 by 3. Let us see how it scales. I have two convolutional layers, then I am same thing. Here converting into array of 2D to 1D to 1D here. And on a final layer, we are using the classifier. Classifier. In this case, we have two classes. So we are using activation function as sigmoid. Now I have created the model. I'm building a model. Guys, are you clear in this? If you are clear, type model.
Hello, Suresh. I have a question. Hello.
Yes, go ahead.
What is the importance of seed, Suresh?
Where did I mention seed?
2 cells above.
Sorry?
Yeah, here.
Where?
Before.
See, random state seed is 2. It generates, there is some seed numbers, like a seed we have set for 42. 42 means what will happen? Whenever you are splitting the data, your randomness will stay for longer time.
Okay.
You are doing random split, right? Yes. So the data will not change. Now, even though I split also, I'll get same set of data.
Okay.
Okay, that is what the random state. Now, next important thing in neural network building is compilation. We are using image data. We are using image data. So we are using last one. We need to specify. We have to specify the last function appropriate to the problem. Appropriate to the problem. So my optimizer is, and also I can mention the learning rate also. Even I can mention the learning rates also here. First, I am building the base model. You can work on the here where you can change you can play around with optimizer along with learning rate. So yeah, now I got a model.summary. I have the parameters. How many parameters I have? The initial stage, this many parameters. The after convolutional, the parameters are this much. This was the total my parameters. See, this many parameters model needs to learn. Whenever you should build a model in such a way that your parameters should come down so that model should learn the data perfectly. So here, understanding the model depth. Now I'm giving here purpose equal to 2. Let us train this model for 10 epochs. Let us see. Guys, what is happening here? What is test accuracy? Ash, what is test accuracy?
.56. 0.56.
Huh. What is training accuracy?
0.58.
So, what is this clearly indication?
It's overfitting.
Hey. Guys, what is happening here? This is a clear indication of what stage? Overfitting or underfitting?
Overfitting.
No. Because it's not done good on the training also, right?
Okay.
That was the reason it is moved to underfit. Okay. Now, what we will do? So, what I will do, I increase the max pooling here. We have added the max pooling layer. What we have done? We have done the same model. Here we have added the max pooling layer. We are trying to improve model accuracy. So we are using our model techniques. Model parameter tuning. Parameter tuning. Okay. Now, what I will do, I'll keep this 3 by 3 only. I'll use the max pooling size of 2 by 2. Now let us see how it works. Now see parameters values by adding max pooling. See how many parameters here? 242-101201. Here by adding max pooling to it, it got reduced down. So I hope model will try to learn something. Now, guys, use it.
Someone is disturbing.
Huh?
Someone at the background is disturbing. I don't know whether he's brushing his teeth or what.
Okay. Now I'm training it for 20 epochs. Okay, sorry, and one more thing here. The batch size should be 2 power of n. Batch size is 2 power of n. I'll be making as a 256. I will see whether this will improve or not. We talked about batch size, right? There is no improvement. There is no improvement on the test. There is no improvement. I might have used callback option here. It's okay. Let it run for 20 epochs. So there is no improvement, right? Guys, is there any improvement? Here, I need your participation.
No.
Oh, Sagar joined late. No, sir. There is no improvement. हम क्या करेंगे बोलो? What we can try? Yesterday we discussed about some more concepts, right?
We can use batch normalization.
So can you speak louder?
Can we use batch normalization?
Yes. What is the options?
So data augmentation. Okay.
Sorry, we can use L2 now also.
Sorry?
L2 now.
Yeah, we can use also that also. We'll see. We are going to use batch normalization and dropout. All right. For first, we're gonna use. First, we're gonna see the batch normalization how it works. If it is working fine, then we don't want to use the dropout. We are using the batch normalization and dropout. For this, for the first run, I'll be not using the dropout. Let us see what is my performance. See, my parameters got decreasing. When you are increasing, see now here my parameters are 6 crores 5 lakh 12,000. 6 crore 5 lakh. Here it's at 23 lakhs. Now I'm gonna see. Now you see how it worked out. I think it has been increasing, right, guys?
It's improvement, it looks like.
It's like a trick worked for us. Which one we are using now? We have used the batch normalization. Batch normalization is improving our performance. We will keep it. We will keep running it for 100 epochs, and we'll try to see your accuracy.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, I have one question. Means like you have that you have used in model while building that model, you have used 100 for that sigmoid layer. So
Ah,
why you have used 100 over there?
I'm just okay. Units, right? Again, I'm
Yeah,
downsampling it.
units. Yeah.
I'm just don't either you can use it or you don't use it. It doesn't make any difference. You can keep the final layer itself. So from
Okay.
there, I'm just making my model too simple. From this
Yeah.
input, I'm
Yes.
taking
Yes.
only 100 image. I'm taking only
Okay.
100 layers. No, 100. We are multiplying. See, we got this many parameters. From there, we are taking only one is
Yes.
output. That's it.
Yeah.
We're
Okay.
simplifying the model. That's it.
Okay. Thank you.
There's nothing more to do with that. There you can see there is no improvement on the validation accuracy. There you can see the training accuracy is some sort of fluctuation, but validation is remaining same. You see, this has not been improved. If you want to get this data, this use case is taken from analytics Vidya actually. Analytics Vidya vehicle. Here I don't think so. They don't have the data here. I'll share you the emergency class vehicles. Now you see what is the state, guys? Here, my training is. What is my training accuracy? Sorry,
99%.
what is my test?
99.
99.76.
So it's a perfect fit. Perfectly learn, right?
Yes, the best model.
Best model. Okay. Now we try to predict. Now we will add we will try to add dropouts here. We'll see. Once we validate the results, then we can see. Here, the next step, validation. Validation on prediction. Sagar, okay. You can see this one. Now we can see. Now I am doing here. I'll go the code. What we are doing here. Predictions. I am using model.predict extrain variables so that I will pull out the original images from the dataset correspondingly, and we will validate against it. Test images. Here, where is my test vehicles? Here was my test vehicle and the probability of that one, and whatever I read, what is the probability of given image. Right, now let's go. What it is it correct prediction or wrong prediction? This is wrong prediction, right? Guys, yes or no? Sagar, Aniket?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Misclassification.
Yeah,
Yes.
sorry?
Misclassification.
This is misclassification or classification?
Hmm. This is
Class 0 for not emergency, right?
Yes,
yeah.
sir. Correct prediction.
This is correct prediction. 0% that is the emergency, right? This is again misclassification. So see, this is what the 0% of emergency is. So this is classified correctly, right?
Yes.
Yes.
This is misclassification again. 99% sure of emergency, but it's not emergency vehicle. Now you see, 99% sure this emergency, whereas a class is 1. Is it misclassification or classification? Proper. It's a perfect, right?
Perfect, right.
Yes, sir. Perfect.
Now we will see some more things, some more images randomly. See, there is no misclassification. 0% sure that emergency, where class is this. Now you see, 0% sure that emergency. It's a perfect classifier, right?
Yes, sir.
Right.
See, 99% is a police emergency vehicle. Yes or no?
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
So this is what the whole story behind it, and I will share this notebook in like how do I share? How do I get you this?
Sir, you can create the Google Classroom.
No, that is what different story. Guys, can you share me your email address? I'll paste it here
Yeah, sir.
one by one. And even like I wanted to share these images also.
Sir, and yesterday's IPY file also.
One second. First, let me share the vehicle with you guys. Ping me your email address here. Satya, yours also you ping me. Yeah? Here we are using different email ID. Wait a minute, 1 minute, one by one, guys. Let me add it here. Now, guys, come on, give me your email IDs. Now you type it.
Suresh, actually, I've connected from mobile, so can I read out my email ID?
Yes,
Okay.
tell me.
M, yeah, K, K, SHI,
Okay.
12425,
One.
2425 @gmail. Oh, thank you.
Hello, Suresh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm also connected from mobile. I will tell my email ID.
Who's this?
Yeah, I'm Ashwini Cherukuri.
Ashwini. Okay.
Oh, ASWINI
One second, ma. Yes.
WINI
Okay.
dot CH
What?
CH
CH, okay.
2013. Yeah, 2013 Gmail.
So you completed your engineering in 2003, yeah? 2013, eh? So Satya.
No, no, 2019 passed out.
Okay, okay. Sorry, sir. Satya, yours. Can edit. Okay. I wanted to copy all this. How do I copy this names? Send. Okay, shared with 11 people here, and also I'm sharing the code here. Guys, again tell me I need to add everything.
I think you can copy the entire thing.
Where?
If you take the all the names till the bottom, and you paste it there.
अरे यार बहुत टाइम लग जाता है. चले 2 मिनट का काम है. How was the session today?
Amazing. Sir.
अरे and I'm viewing can edit.
Hello.
Yeah.
Can you add my email ID, Suresh?
Okay. Okay. And one more.
Ashwini.
Actually, anyone missing? And okay, I have shared you. And today, homework for you this week is you predict the cat and dog. Cat and dog, and the data set will be here. TensorFlow library itself. Cat versus dog. Cat versus dog. I'll give you the code here. You need to do the parameter tuning and you need to bring down the accuracy. You need to improve the accuracy here. Cat and dogs. This here accuracy was very poor because how many layers they have used you can see. One input layer, this layer, so final layer. Here you can use the activation function as a sigmoid. Now you can see you can train this one. So accuracy is only 73%. You need to do the parameter tuning here and improve your overfitting and underfitting. And here you can try with rotations and use the dropouts, compile the model, try to understand. Here the accuracy not even improved. You need to work out this for this week and you message me in the LinkedIn. This is what homework exercise where you need to do the cats and dogs on your own. Go through the model. Don't refer any article apart from TensorFlow, tensorflow.org. Oh, is it Ashwini? Okay. Ashwini Cherukuri. You know Datatics, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Where it is Datatics?
In Hyderabad,
Where in Hyderabad?
Madhapur.
Okay. Okay, guys. Happy weekend. And any doubts, leave us and share this with your friends and folks, and let it get benefit with most of the people.
Okay, Suresh, thanks for this useful webinar.
Yes, sir, thank you so much for today's session. It was
Okay.
very attractive and very informative.